Hi folks, many people now use Google Chrome as their first choice of internet browser over Internet Explorer, Firefox or any of the other browsers. Now Google Chrome, just like any other browser, can experience problems. Google Chrome can crash, it can go slow, you can get pop-ups, you can have problems with the menu bar, you can have problems with add-ons, so on and so forth. Another problem sometimes that occurs with Google Chrome is that you cannot access Google Chrome in the first instance because these icons disappear either on the desktop, on the taskbar, or sometimes they even disappear from the start menu. So one of the good ways to access Google Chrome is by going to the start button at the bottom left hand side of the screen. I'm on Windows 8, so I would right click. If you're Windows 7 or earlier, you would left click to bring the menu up, but I right click. There we see the start menu, and I want to select Run from the start menu. Select Run, and in that you can see I've already got it entered, but if you enter CHROME.exe and then click OK, there you see it opens up the Google Chrome browser. Now I will shut this down because I want to show another way that it's a bit more long-winded, but it's always another option, and it is to go to Run, and this time we enter CMD, which opens up the command line interface. Now the command line interface is a troubleshooting tool for many things that can go wrong with Windows operating system, and another option for using this is to open programs. So if you are having trouble accessing Google Chrome, we can put in start, then a space, then CHROME.exe and then press enter, and again there you can see it started up Google Chrome. So we'll just shut this down, and we will shut this down. I will click on my icon and we have opened up Google Chrome. Now when you are experiencing problems with Google Chrome, one of the options is to reset Google Chrome back to default settings. The way to do this is to go to the top right hand corner of the browser. There you see the box with the 3 lines just below the box that you close down the browser with. We left click on the box with the 3 lines, and about 2/3 of the way down the menu you see an option for settings. Click on settings. This takes you to the settings page for Google Chrome. We go right down to the bottom of this first page, and at the bottom you see default browser, make Google Chrome the default browser. Below that you see the option for show advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Again, this takes us down through some more options, network languages and downloads, and we eventually get to the bottom, and there you see an option for reset settings. Restore settings to their original defaults with the button for reset settings. So you want to click on reset settings, and this opens up a window that warns you that you are about to change the default settings for your home page for Google Chrome. Now if you want to go ahead with this and reset Google Chrome settings back to defaults, you would click the reset. If for some reason you've changed your mind, you can click cancel, but we will press reset, and this resets Google Chrome and all its things back to the defaults when it was first loaded. Now sometimes even the reset doesn't work. You can still experience problems after this reset has been selected. So another excellent option for troubleshooting is this website. Now I've already got the website link up on my bookmark bar, which takes you to support.google.com, which is the support website for Google Chrome. Obviously accessing this web page depends on the state of your browser. Sometimes your web browser might not be able to access the internet or get onto any websites at all. So in this case your best bet will probably be to go onto a different device, either onto another computer, onto a laptop, a mobile phone, or even a tablet, just to get onto this website. And once you've accessed this website, you can see that there is an absolute goldmine of information. Right at the bottom here we have the troubleshoot and resolve common issues. When you open it up, you have a list of all the more common issues within Google Chrome, and this may be able to resolve your problem. If not, if you've still got problems with the Google Chrome, you can actually go up to the top right hand corner of the web browser, and you can see help forum. When you click on this, it takes you to a forum. You join in the forum and you put your question to lots of people that have been in a similar situation to yourself and to the situation you are in just now, and 9 times out of 10 you will get an answer. Just to go back to one of the points I made at the beginning of this video, is that sometimes when you try to access Google Chrome, your icons have disappeared. These icons here would not be here. But as we accessed Google Chrome at the beginning of the video using the run program, we can actually save the Google Chrome icon to the taskbar by right clicking on the icon for the open Chrome browser at the moment. Then you can see this option here for pin this program to the taskbar. Click on pin this program to the taskbar, and you can see now that we have the unpin from this program from taskbar, which means obviously that it is now pinned. So when we close down, you see that we now have a permanent marker for our Google Chrome. Now obviously we've been through the reset, we've been through the troubleshooting options with the website. If this doesn't work, the best option after this is for a complete uninstall of Google Chrome. Uninstalling Google Chrome can be quite tricky, and it can take quite a time. There's a few issues with uninstalling Google Chrome, or there can be, so I've actually involved a different video to do this. So if this video has helped you, I'm really pleased. If not, come across to the video which is the uninstall Google Chrome video. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it has been of some value to you. And thank you for watching, and thank you for getting to the end. And bye just now.